guys, welcome to this video. My name is Rachel and I want to talk to you about the big sale. Yeah, that's true. So today, November 11 into November 13, we'll have a big sale in AliExpress. So if you want to enjoy this big sale, just go to the link in the description and go to the website and enjoy the big sale. You can buy whatever you want, earbuds, a cell phone, a smartphone, and other stuff. So if you want to have your stuff with really good price, just enjoy the big sale. Go to the link in the description and buy whatever you want with a good price. So this is the website page. So here you just go to the link in the description, you click and just come here in the website. It's just a couple earbuds in sale, so that's a big sale. So look at this one, it's Halo GT3, you just paid $18. And this one, it's Halo GT5 for $22. And this one, look at this is a really good price. $19 for Halo GT6, that's really good. So this is the price before and this is the price now with the sale. The sale is in today, November 11 until November 13. So just go there and enjoy. So this is a couple earbuds with a good price. And here have more. So this is a couple smartwatch with a good price. It's from Apple. This is the AirPods Pro 3 for $55. And here have others with good price. Smartwatch. So some stuffs have more good price than others. So you need search, you need looking for what you want and see which one is better for you. Here it's a couple earbuds on QCY. So look at this, only $16, $15, $22, $13. This is one, it's a good one. So look at this one, $13 too. That's a really good price, really good. If you want other stuff from AliExpress, you can see have much stuff here like electronic earphones, Bluetooth earphones, phone, smart remote control. Let me see the price. Look at this. This is a good price too. Look at this one. This is good for only $6. That's good. Smart electronics. A good price. So you can see whatever you want and search here and you can see for a really good price because this big sale it's really good. But you need search, you need looking for what you want and search for which one is the best price. Smartwatch and everything have here, but you need search, you need looking for and see which one is better and have another price too. You need to see. But some stuff, it's a really big sale. So you need to enjoy this. So if you want to have this stuff, just go to the link in the description and see which one. Look this case, it's so cute. And you can see which one you want, the better price and everything. Have food, home appliances, computer office, home improvement, home garden, sports, education toys, security, automobiles, lights, and other stuff. I have a lot of stuff. You can see what you want and which one is better and the price. Look, this is a couple toys for a good price. So yeah, but I think the earbuds, the price is so good, so good. So yeah, that's it. Have shoes, have tools, and have everything. Like, look at this. You can see everything with a good price for the big sale. So just go there and enjoy and do your best. Everything with a good price. So just go there and enjoy. Okay? See you there. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget, go to the link in the description and go to the website and enjoy the big sale. You can buy whatever you want for a good price. The big sale starts today, November 11 until November 13. So just go there and have your stuff for a good price. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and watch other videos about earbuds. And still have other videos about earbuds and other stuff. So that's it. See you soon.